Everyone, I'm AJ, and welcome to Beyond with AJ Stories. I've always believed that one story can change the way we think, feel, and live. Here, I share short and powerful stories filled with lessons that inspire growth, motivation, and self improvement. My goal to take you beyond just listening and into a better, stronger version of yourself. So, if you're ready to grow, learn, and be inspired, hit that subscribe button and let's go beyond together. Many people would have advised you don't be afraid, be brave. But has anyone told you what you should do to be brave? A book teaches you that. Don't make these 13 mistakes. If you avoid them, you can be brave, the book states. From that, I'm going to tell you 5 points. Which 5 mistakes, if you avoid, you can be brave. The title of the book we are going to see today is 13 Things Mentally Strong People Don't Do by Amy Morin. The author is Amy Morin. Here are 5 points from this book that are very practical and easy to understand, just for you. 1. Don't be jealous. It will make you brave. Generally, when we are jealous, a feeling of lacking something arises within us. This feeling of not having something reduces our courage, says the author. For example, imagine a situation like this. In a battle, two people are fighting. One is very strong, has many weapons, and is trained in combat. The other lacks combat training and weapons. Who among these two would be braver? Definitely the person with training and weapons. Because whenever you get the feeling that you have something, courage automatically comes. What did I say first? When we are jealous, a feeling of I don't have this, I don't have that arises in us. That feeling of not having reduces our courage. It weakens us. So, if you want to be brave, don't be jealous. You can be brave just by not being jealous. 2. Don't lament too much about the past. You can be brave. There are two types of people who lament about the past. One type will say, such a mistake happened in my past. If only that hadn't happened, I would be much better today. Why did that mistake happen? Why did this happen only to me? And they will lament. Another type will say, do you know how I used to be? Do you know how much I have achieved? But now nothing is possible. And they will talk about their past achievements again and again, emphasizing that they can't do anything now. Both of these instill the same thing in their minds, the thought that our present is not good. Whenever the thought that the present is not good arises, fear about the future will come. Fear about life will come. This fear never gives courage. So stop lamenting about the past. It will make you brave. 3. Accept changes. It will make you brave. They say change is the only constant. This world will keep changing. Many things around you, the people you interact with, the situations you are in, the technology of the time, everything is subject to change. If you are not ready to accept these changes, if you think, oh no, change is coming, then fear will also come along. Then how can you be brave? So be ready to accept changes. To explain it with an example, think about this. There's a private company. Two people are working there. One is mentally prepared to accept change. The other has a nature that dislikes changes. Now, when the company faces a change, like its head officer changing, or the office location changing, or the technology used changing, something changes. When the company faces such a change, who among these two individuals will face it bravely? Certainly the person with the mental maturity to accept changes, right? Because the one who dislikes changes will be afraid even before the change comes and will be afraid seeing the change. They will definitely not be brave. That's why they say learn to accept changes. It will make you brave. 4. Stop thinking about what you can't control and think more about what you can control. It will make you brave. You might wonder what the connection is between control and courage. If you think about it very simply, courage comes only when you feel that control is in your hands. But what do? Many times, when something goes wrong or a problem occurs, we think about things we can't control. We feel powerless, thinking, oh no, this has happened. I have nothing in my hands. Instead, we don't think, Okay, whatever it is, we need to do what we have to do on our part and come out of this. That again does what? It reduces our courage. So, whenever any problem comes, focus your attention only on what you can control. You can be brave. Five, don't pity yourself, it will make you brave. Many people have a habit of pitying themselves. They'll keep telling themselves, do you know how innocent I am? Do you know how much I suffer? Do you know all the bad things that happen only to me? Only negative things happen to me. I'm an unlucky fellow. They'll comfort themselves by thinking that these are all the reasons for their failures. If they keep thinking this repeatedly over time, it will transform them into very weak individuals. But think about it a little differently. It's true, I had many problems when I was young, but I've been very brave. I faced them very boldly. It's a big thing that I've come this far amidst all that. I will still change it. If someone thinks like this, it will make them feel like a powerful person. It will increase their courage. So stop pitying yourself and start being grateful for what you have now. It will make you brave. The 5 points I said I'd tell are finished. This book teaches many other things as well. You should learn to experience solitude, even enjoy solitude. Then courage will increase. You shouldn't expect immediate results for everything. You should be a little patient. Then courage will increase. You shouldn't try to get a good name from everyone. Then courage will increase. You shouldn't slump after failing the first time. Then courage will increase. If you want to know all about these in detail, buy and read that book. Meanwhile, I'll repeat the 5 points I already mentioned once more. Don't be jealous. It will make you brave. Don't lament about the past. It will make you brave. Accept changes. It will make you brave. Instead of thinking too much about what you can't control, think about what you can control. It will make you brave. Don't pity yourself. It will make you brave. To be honest, these 5 points have been very useful to me in my life. I hope they will be useful to you too. Not just listen, but try to implement them as well. To know the remaining points, read the book. We can meet next video with another crisp and clean book review or one useful story. Until then, this is AJ signing off. Thank you. Love you all.